Hello everybody. Today's video tutorial I would like to teach you how to edit your photos for website, for eBay or OfferUp, any apps that where you wanna sell your stuff. But usually when you take a picture it looks like this, kind of ugly, not presentable, for our customers and stuff. So this quality of photo is not that great if you will shoot it with a DSLR or something like that. But anyway, that's why I would like to teach you especially how to edit these photos, even if they're in low quality, and when you need to sell something fast, So let's get started. And first we need to see what we need to do with this, maybe to clean a little bit. If you see the spots and dust, you need to remove it also. So let's get started by separating this object from the background. We need to take this pen tool and start by putting this okay, I will edit my way, how I do these photos. A lot of Photoshop experts will show you different methods, but this is my method, and I like to do it faster. That's why I do like this. So now, and then we click right click on your mouse and then make selection, and then you choose OK. And then let's zoom it and then go to the select and the select and mask, or you can press command shift command R and then on your keyboard. It's for Mac users. So now we need to invert first, and then we'll see how this edges we need to close this maybe a little bit, this edges. Yeah, this is better. Okay, for me it looks good, but depends on you. But you need to play with this feather, contrast and shift edge, and then press OK. Now we need to create a background, white background. Okay, but here is another photo. I want to show the backside also of this player. So now we need to do the same thing which I did from the other one by separating it from a background. I will do it fast so we can continue with the other stuff. Okay, now we separated this image also, so we need to transfer this backside to this photo by clicking on it and dragging on that picture. So then you need to click Shift T on your Mac. It's Shift T, or computers on Windows it's gonna be a Control T. So we need to put it like this and enter, and then put it on the drag it on the bottom, so you're gonna be from the back side. So now for me this picture looks kind of dark, so we need to make it a little bit lighter and presentable. So click on filter and then go to the camera raw filter. In camera raw filter we need to do exposure a little bit. If I will zoom it so I can see it better. 100 is gonna be too much. Let's see, 66. Okay, so now as you can see the quality is not that good because the camera which we used for this it was pretty old camera. It's I think it's HD or something, a very old model of camera, but it's okay. So now let's see the contrast. Let's give a little bit contrast, exposure, not too much, but a little bit. And then clarity. Clarity is good. And the highlights maybe a little bit down. Shadows a little bit high. Now let's go to this detail menu, and then click the sharpening, make it a little bit sharper, you know, and noise reduction. Also put this luminosity on noise reduction too, and then you can press OK. So now looks much better. So let's do the same thing for the other image. Now the filter, camera raw, and then let's do the same thing on here, in here also. Then contrast, clarity, shadows. I'm doing a little bit faster because I know for these images, for my images is fine, but with your images it's gonna be different way. So you better look how it looks on your with your images. Okay, let's go to the here again, amount and the luminosity, then okay. Okay, so now I see. So now let's remove the dust, because I can see it has the spots on it. So let's remove it by choosing healing brush, spot healing brush tool, and then just click and remove these dots from it like this. Let's see what else it says. If, for example, you're selling a product used, or it has scratches and something like that, you better leave it as is on the picture and not removing this very strong scratches, very strong dust on it, because that way people will know what they're buying, you know. In this here, my example is just a dust, you know. It's just not really important to see it for the people, you know. That's why I'm removing it right now. And this is just a fingerprints or something, so I need to remove this also. Because it's not looks nice. So this is second image. We need to click on the second image and then do the same thing here. I don't have to be precise in here because it's just I'm just trying to show the backside of this player, so people will see what kind of connection it has. And just removing this all. See, okay, we're almost done. Just need to make this you need to press here on this crop tool and then crop it, and then just on whatever size you need, just make it like this, whatever suits your image. So now like this, and then press enter, and then let's do the final touch by making clicking here and then curves, and then pressing like making like this. So now it looks like this. It gives more contrast and shine to the image. Because of the image was very dark, and the original one, it was this one. So as you can see, it was very dark, you know. Because of course you better just make a good lighting for your item. That way the quality will be greater and stuff. But depends on your situation, you know. If you don't have a lot of lighting at home, it's fine, you know. But you can make it as good as you can. But like this. So yeah, this is the final result, and now you can sell it on any site you would like. Thank you very much, guys, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video tutorial. Please subscribe and like my videos. Bye.